Ever pondered over the intricacies of adjusting large-scale food recipes? How do culinary professionals achieve that perfect balance of ingredients every time, regardless of the quantity? The secret lies in the percentage method, a technique that keeps the ratio of ingredients constant regardless of the quantity. Imagine a recipe as a mathematical equation where each ingredient is a variable. The percentage method transforms these variables into constants, ensuring that the taste and quality remain consistent, no matter how big or small the batch is. The first step in this method involves converting all ingredients in the original recipe from measure or pounds and ounces to pounds and tenths of a pound. This allows for more accurate calculations. At this stage, any ingredient substitutions, such as swapping fresh eggs for frozen whole eggs or powdered milk for liquid milk, are also made. Next, total the weight of ingredients in the recipe. A key point here is to use the edible portion weights when a difference exists between the edible portion and as purchased weights. For instance, the weight of onions or celery should be the weight after they have been cleaned, peeled, and are ready for use. With the total weight in hand, calculate the percentage of each ingredient in relation to the total weight. This is done for each ingredient. You'll notice the sum of these percentages equals 100%. This is a crucial step as it checks the ratio of ingredients, ensuring they are in proper balance. The next step is to determine the total weight of the product needed. This is done by multiplying the portion weight, expressed in decimal parts of a pound, by the number of servings to be prepared. For instance, a 2-ounce portion would be 0.125 pound. This figure, multiplied by the number of portions desired, gives the total weight of the product needed. Remember to consider the capacity of your equipment and pan sizes in determining the total weight. The total weight must be divisible by the optimum weight for each pan. Similarly, the capacity of mixing bowls, steam-jacketed kettles, and other equipment should be factored in. Another factor to account for is the estimated handling loss. This is the batter left in bowls or on equipment. This loss will vary according to the product being made and preparation techniques of the worker. However, similar recipes usually produce predictable losses, which with some experimentation can be accurately assigned. Finally, multiply each percentage number by the total weight to give the exact amount of each ingredient needed. With the percentages of a recipe established, any number of servings can be calculated, and the ratio of ingredients to the total will be the same. So there you have it, the percentage method in all its glory, a step-by-step guide to ensure your culinary creations are consistent, no matter the scale. It's all about balance, precision, and a little bit of math.